Okay, family, I wanted to give you an updated look at the jig that cuts the Nova fire pits. So we actually got a wheelbase under here, and I also have a pipe under here in this welding structural base, so that way it can stand up. That way it'll keep the distance, and I put the bearing in the inside of it, inside of the pipe. That way it can roll with no problem. Now the tire on it is actually flat, but it's good to help keep the barrel or our end stabilized while we cut. And as you see, I just grinded it out in here because the pan sits in here, so it's going to touch that. That way you don't have to have a cord on the bowl itself while you're spinning it to cut it off and get it a nice clean cut. You can just put your ground on here. So as I was building this, just scrap plate and pieces, and we was putting this together to actually build a jig to kill several birds with one stone. Now we got a pulley coming in, and we got a adjustable belt, and we'll be able to put a speed on it. And I actually got a controller to adjust the speed. So that's the goal, to be able to do this faster, easier, and make a process where anybody can come over here and do it. Right now I got it stabilized where it's at, it can cut the height that we need all the time. But if you need to raise this, all you have to do is raise this for different heights. But right now, from what we're using and the size we're using, this cuts all of them down to what we need, and all of them cut to the same size. So this jig is literally made for these fire pits. And that's the good thing about learning how to do blueprints, learning fabrication, because you can build things like this. Hold on.